Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Combi is showing an ERR error message? Let's fix it right away. We'll start with the simplest solutions first and work our way up to the more complicated fixes if needed. First, check if the appliance is plugged in securely. A loose connection can cause the ERR error to appear. Wiggle the plug gently to ensure it's snug in the outlet. Next, inspect the control panel or touchscreen for any visible damage or debris. Grease, fingerprints, or food particles can interfere with the buttons or sensors. Clean the panel gently with a soft, damp cloth to remove any buildup. After that, reset your Ninja Combi by unplugging it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and test it again. A reset clears temporary glitches and gives the internal systems a fresh start. If the issue persists, inspect the fuse inside the unit. If it's blown, you'll need to replace it. Refer to your user manual for instructions on how to safely access and replace the fuse. It's usually quick and straightforward. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the internal sensors or wiring. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja Combi should now stop showing the ERR error message. If these steps don't work, we've added a link to the user manual at the top of the video description for more guidance. Or you can reach out to customer support for further help.